use our lungs every moment of every day, and they get exposed to the pollutants and allergens that we inhale. Cleansing your respiratory tract can catalyze and improve your body's self-healing properties. Lung cleansing can help you breathe easier in the short term and boost your immune system in the long term. Here are some top natural ways to cleanse and detox your lungs. Number 1. Oregano. Oregano is rich in compounds like carvacrol and terpenes that act as lung cleansing elements. The herb can reduce inflammation and congestions in the lungs and improve nasal passage airflow in the health of your respiratory tract. Make the tea by steeping fresh or dry oregano in hot water for about 5 minutes. Drink 2 cups daily when suffering from asthma or other respiratory problems, or you can add a few drops of oregano oil to a glass of tea or warm milk and drink it at least once a day. Include oregano in your cooking. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger contains several chemical compounds that help the lungs function more effectively by eliminating air pollutants from the air passages before they irritate the lungs. It also improves blood circulation. Ginger can even help you in the treatment of lung cancer. To make the tea, boil 1 teaspoon of sliced grated ginger in 1 or 1.5 cups of water, then let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain it and add a little honey and lemon juice for taste. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily. Also use raw ginger in your cooking. Note that people who take high blood pressure or heart medication should avoid taking ginger in excess. Number 3. Eucalyptus Essential Oil. Eucalyptus essential oil is highly beneficial for the lungs due to its antiseptic, decongestion, and expectoral properties. This oil can ease a cough, fight congestion, and soothe irritated sinus passages. Add 5 to 10 drops of eucalyptus essential oil to a pot of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and bend your head over to the pot to take in the steam. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes, 1 or 2 times per day to cleanse up the lungs when suffering from congestion. Number 4. Lung cleansing foods. A healthy diet stimulates the body's natural cleansing mechanisms and strengthens the immune system. Start your day with a cup of lemon water and make sure to drink an adequate amount of water every day. Proper hydration facilitates the cleansing process. Eat foods rich in vitamin C such as kiwi, bell pepper, grapefruit, strawberries, oranges, pineapples, tomatoes, and broccoli. Use antioxidant-rich foods like onions, garlic, cayenne pepper, turmeric, ginger, apples, and green tea in your diet. Eat folate-rich foods such as black beans and lentils. Try to quit smoking. Avoid exposure to secondhand smoke. Breathe deeply. Do exercise every day to increase lung capacity. Hope these tips can help you keep a healthy lung. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.